The name Africa Twin has long been synonymous with adventure. It represents rugged reliability, long-distance comfort, and go-anywhere capability. And now, for 2025, Honda is expanding the family with a brand new middleweight model, the Africa Twin 650. Designed to slot beneath the larger 1,100 cubic centimeters variant, the new 650 is aimed at riders who crave adventure but want something lighter, more affordable, and easier to manage on technical terrain. With this move, Honda is making the Africa Twin experience more accessible than ever before. Design and ergonomics, compact, yet purposeful. At first glance, the Africa Twin 650 looks unmistakably like its big sibling. It carries the same Dakar-inspired styling, complete with a tall windscreen, wide handlebars, and a rugged, upright stance. However, the proportions have been slightly refined to suit the 650 cubic centimeters frame. The bike features a narrower tank, slimmer bodywork, and a more compact chassis, all of which contribute to better maneuverability, especially off-road. The ergonomics have been carefully tuned to ensure all-day comfort whether you're seated on the highway or standing on the pegs during trail riding. It's a motorcycle that feels just right, nimble in the city, agile in the dirt, and relaxed on long tours. Engine and performance, a new parallel twin heart. The beating heart of the Africa Twin 650 is a newly developed 649 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine, tuned for a perfect balance of torque and responsiveness. Producing around 70 horsepower and 60 Newton-meters of torque, this engine isn't built to break speed records, but rather to deliver smooth, usable power across a wide rev range. Its low-end grunt makes it ideal for technical off-road sections, while its mid-range punch ensures confident overtakes on the highway. The engine also features a 270-degree crankshaft, giving it a characterful exhaust note and improved traction in low-grip conditions. Whether you're crawling through mud or cruising down a twisty mountain road, the 650 delivers controlled, confidence-inspiring performance. Chassis and suspension, built to tackle it all. Honda has designed the Africa Twin 650 around a lightweight steel frame that prioritizes off-road agility and durability. Paired with long travel suspension, featuring 43mm Showa inverted forks at the front and a preload adjustable monoshock at the rear, this bike is ready to absorb rough terrain with ease. With 210mm of ground clearance and a seat height of around 860mm, the bike strikes a great balance between accessibility and off-road readiness. It rides on a 21-inch front wheel and 18-inch rear, both spoked and tubeless ready, perfect for riders who split time between pavement and dirt. Dual-purpose tires come standard, making the 650 a true adventure all-rounder right off the showroom floor. Technology and features, modern but minimalist. While the Africa Twin 650 isn't loaded with electronics like some premium adventure bikes, it's equipped with just the right amount of tech to enhance the ride without complicating it. The bike comes with ride-by-wire throttle, offering selectable riding modes, tour, gravel, and urban, each adjusting throttle response and traction control levels. A basic but clear 5-inch TFT display shows all the essential info, and there's Bluetooth connectivity for phone integration and GPS navigation. ABS is standard and switchable at the rear for off-road riding. Cruise control, USB-C charging, and full LED lighting round out the tech suite. Honda's goal here is clear: keep it simple, keep it functional, and keep it reliable. Versatility and touring comfort, your lightweight explorer. The Africa Twin 650 is built with adventure in mind, both the epic and the everyday kind. The 18-liter fuel tank provides a real-world range of over 350 kilometers, meaning fewer stops and more exploring. Wind protection is decent for a middleweight, and the screen is adjustable to suit different rider heights. The seat is long and flat, offering comfort for both rider and passenger over long distances. Luggage mounting points are integrated into the subframe, and Honda is offering a full range of OEM accessories, including panniers, crash bars, heated grips, and auxiliary lighting. Whether you're commuting to work or crossing continents, this bike is ready for the journey. Target audience and market positioning, filling a critical gap. The 2025 Africa Twin 650 fills a critical gap in Honda's lineup and in the adventure bike market overall. It's aimed squarely at riders who find 1000cc plus machines too bulky or expensive, but who want more performance and off-road capability than a 500 cubic centimeters dual sport. In a growing field that includes the Yamaha Ténéré 700, KTM 690 Enduro R, and Aprilia Touareg 660, Honda's 650 offers a more refined, accessible alternative. It's less aggressive than the KTM, more approachable than the Aprilia, and arguably more versatile than the Yamaha. Honda is banking on the 650's legendary reliability, balanced performance, and lower seat height to win over a wide range of riders, from new adventurers to experienced explorers looking to downsize. Price and availability, affordable adventure. One of the most appealing aspects of the Africa Twin 650 is its expected price point. While official pricing may vary by region, early estimates suggest a starting MSRP of around $9,499, positioning it as a strong value proposition in the middleweight ADV class. It will be available in 3 color options: matte ballistic black metallic, pearl glare white with red and blue rally graphics, and a rugged matte green metallic. Availability is expected in dealerships by early spring 2025, with global rollout continuing through the summer. Honda is also launching the bike alongside a new line of ADV riding gear and accessories tailor.